the Penn State Beaver Student Union.
This was a 1993 Schindler.
Yeah, when I was here in 2018, it was an RT.
But it has now been modernized by Eastern with EPCO fixtures, which is a little odd. Never seen Eastern use EPCO before. Slightly differently than the 5500 version, the ones that are used on Schindler and Mercyhurst.
California code ones.
Yeah, maybe. It's a stainless steel snap cab. It says snap cab right there. Round. I never rode the old one, but I can imagine this is probably an improvement. That's it.